2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, compass, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.